Welcome once again. Today we are using Irish potato, and then we are slicing it. We're going to put ginger garlic paste, turmeric and other mixed spices, salt. Then we boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we boil. When it's ready, we get it out and then we put on a tray or a plate. Now if you don't have breadcrumbs, you can make your own by putting slices of bread in an oven. 3 minutes up, flip it over after 3 minutes and it's done at 220 degrees. You can also put it on the grill and you flip it over again. You can also use a charcoal stove and you put on a wire mesh, flip over. That's how my breadcrumbs look like, and we're using 4 eggs. So again we put spices in the eggs, then salt, then we put a teaspoon of baking flour, so to make it more thicker and sticky. Put salt, add some salt in the breadcrumb. Let's start frying. Fry at medium heat, not very high, because if you do that you burn them. Just try this. On the outside they're crunchy, on the inside tastes like a brownie. It's very soft. Now remember to serve when hot, that's when they're more tasty. But if you want to take them when they're a little warm, it's okay. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button. That is your very nice way of helping us and supporting us. Yum! Enjoy and tell me about it. Thank you for watching.